What's going on, guys? I'm David Stiley, and this is how to perform dumbbell external rotations.
First, set up a barbell in a rack so that it rests at the same height as your sternum. Get a dumbbell and rest your arm on the top of the barbell, just in front of the bony portion of your elbow. Allow your arm to rotate downward. Keep your upper and lower arm at a 90-degree angle in relation to each other. Keep your upper arm at about a 45-degree angle in relation to your body. Now, this part is crucial. Set your upper back and shoulder blade into position. Extend your upper back so that you're not hunched over. Then, pull your shoulder blade back and down and hold it there throughout the entire movement. Externally rotate your arm back as far as your mobility allows. From the top, control the weight back down to the starting position. When returning the weight to the starting position, do not allow your shoulder blade to elevate. Also, do not use any momentum with this movement whatsoever. Keep it strict. We are training the small external rotators of the shoulder, primarily the infraspinatus and the teres minor. The more strict you are with this movement, the better targeted those muscles will be. When performing this movement, your arm will rotate on the barbell up to the base of your tricep, just above your medial epicondylite, the bony protrusion on the inside of your elbow. The barbell should not come into contact with any of your elbow's bony structures throughout this movement. If you experience any discomfort in this area, check your positioning. I recommend learning with a 2.5 to 5 pound dumbbell and very slowly increasing the weight from there over a period of weeks and months.